something very interesting happened. I went to Facebook thinking of how to grow my YouTube community just to meet people and connect with a lot of guys. And what I just saw there was nothing to write home about, because most of the groups I joined, everything they were just talking about is how to sell a YouTube channel. I want to sell a YouTube channel with 150k subscribers. I want to sell a YouTube channel with 50k subscribers. And most people are actually patronizing them, not knowing that there is a side effect to that. So you want to buy a YouTube channel, you don't even know what is wrong with the channel. You don't know the kind of content, you don't know the niche the person was into or the seller is into, and you just want to buy the channel just because he has a lot of subscribers. So you don't know what got him that subscribers, if it's bots. So if it's bots that got him the subscribers, you won't have views on the channel. And you don't know if YouTube already have if YouTube have actually placed the channel in the bin, meaning you won't get views no matter what you do. Maybe as a result of the channel using someone else's content or violating YouTube policy. So most people just open a channel, upload a lot of videos, and at the end violate the policy of YouTube, and probably just because they have a lot of subscribers, they think, okay, it would be best if I sell it just to make money. And innocent you will just go there, you just say, I want to buy channel, I want to buy channel. He has 10k followers or subscribers, he has 15k subscribers, and you went to buy channel. Now you've gotten the channel and you've uploaded like 20-30 videos and no views, or probably you've got the channel, you've gotten the watch hours, and you want to monetize the channel. And YouTube tells you, sorry, your channel violated YouTube's policy. They won't even give you a room to appeal for maybe the mistake or the policy you violated. You can't even appeal. They just tell you no, apply in 90 days time. And after 90 days or 3 months, you apply again. They still tell you your channel has been rejected for violating YouTube's policy. So you just wasted your money. So why not grow your YouTube channel from scratch? Probably you have a YouTube channel, you have just 2 subscribers, you have 5 subscribers, or you have 1 and it's yourself, or you have 2, you and your wife, or you and your son or your friend. And you're like, when will I get 1,000 subscribers? All those people like Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, they started small. So you have to pass through the process when it comes to YouTube, because YouTube will really test you, test your humility, test your patience. So what I would advise is start your own YouTube channel and grow it from scratch. Don't be in a haste to make more money, to get more revenue, and just build your channel from scratch and just trust the process. So don't be in a hurry. So with these few points, I hope I'm able to convince you that don't buy channel. It's fake. Don't buy channel.